this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing, guys. Here I'm again with another hard drive SSD cards. In this case, this is SSD M.2 NAV drive. Let me take this off. Many unboxing video. This type of product you can see here, lovely Western Digital 1 terabyte. Okay, model number, other things you see here, WD Western Digital SN350 NAV SSD. This is not SATA, this is NAV. When you have two holes here, double hole, those are SATA. If I'm not wrong, these are 10 times more faster than SATA. They look similar, but NAV is the best one. So NAV SSD here, up to 2400 megabytes per second velocity it can go. Lovely. 3 years limited guarantee from Western Digital. Very light pack. More information is written in different languages here at the back side. So original Western Digital in this case. So without any further ado, let me take this off from here at the bottom. Here we go. Take this out. Lovely. We have some manual. If you have time to read, if you want to read, you can do that. Here is the NAV or SSD M.2 drive. Lovely, very small in size. Okay, beautiful, very powerful. Only this size, you have 1 terabyte. They comes also with 2 terabyte. Pricing of this product could be 70 to 100, $110, €110, depend where you are. Okay, let me take this off from here as this. Wow, can see with little bit more light. Now this drive shouldn't touch so much this drive. Here we go, you see the gold plated here. So you have to assemble this one obviously in your computer, and I'm gonna use this one as the external source for my Mac. So in this I'm gonna assemble this one. So if you want to check how to assemble this one, and also unboxing of this product, this casing of M.2 drive, so check my next video. Okay, so here we go. Wow, it's a beautiful beast, small in size. Doesn't say where it's coming from, Western Digital written, but for data, Western Digital is one of the best brand, Kingston, Western Digital, and some other for hard drive. So this is unboxing of M.2 drive from Western Digital. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.